Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be making a tutorial on a drugstore or Aliexpress makeup haul. So guys, if you want to see this video on my drugstore stroke Aliexpress makeup haul, keep watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to my channel. So guys, the first beauty product or drugstore makeup haul I got from Aliexpress is this highlighter. Okay, it's a yellow highlighter and I got it for like $2.08. okay guys, and it's in the color chocolate. I'll be putting the link to it in the description box in case you want to order yours. Okay guys, I'm going to open it up and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so guys, this is what it looks like. Okay, and now I'm going to, this is a yellow highlighter. Okay guys, I'm going to swatch it once. Okay, so guys, can you see the, oh my god. So guys, I've tried the product. It's a nice and quality product for such a cheap price. Okay, the link will be in the description. Okay guys, the next beauty product I got from Aliexpress is this. It's called mascara natural fibers, and it comes in a set. Okay, so guys, in this set there is mascara, eyeliner, and eyelash fiber. I'm going to bring it up and show you guys. Okay guys, this is a mascara, eyeliner, and eyelash fiber. I got this in the color black. Okay, there are two colors, black and brown. I got this for like $3.43. I've tried it. It's quite a nice product for such a cheap price. The link to it will be in the description. Make sure you check it out. Okay guys, the next drugstore or affordable makeup haul I did from Aliexpress is this. It's called Pop Fail concealer. Okay guys, I got this for like $2.86 and it's in color 1. Okay guys, and I think it's quite a nice product for such a price. Okay guys, not a full coverage concealer, okay, in case you want to know, but it's a nice product. Okay, the link to it will be in the description. Guys, the next drugstore or Aliexpress makeup product I got is this. It's called Magic Halo Cosmetic Pro. Is a loose powder. Okay, translucent loose powder. Okay, so guys, I got this for like $2.11 and I got it in color 1. Okay guys, the link to it will be in the description. So guys, this is what it looks like. Okay, it's a translucent powder or loose powder for setting makeup. Okay, so guys, this is what it looks like. So guys, for such a price, which is $2.11, it's quite a nice product. So guys, this is what it looks like when you open it up. It's quite a nice and affordable makeup product. So guys, the next drugstore product or Aliexpress makeup haul I got is this gel liner. Okay, it's from Scent Music Flower 24 hours long wear gel liner, and I got this for like $2.11. So guys, it comes in two like this with two small liner makeup brush. It comes in two color. One is in color brown, is in brown color, and the other one is in black color. When you open it up, this is what it looks like. Okay, for the gel liner, this is the black color, this is the brown color. Such a cheap price. It's quite a nice and affordable makeup haul. Okay, so guys, the next drugstore product or Aliexpress makeup haul I got is this pressed powder. Okay, so guys, on top of it is written face. Okay, so guys, when I open it up, okay, this is what it looks like. Okay, I got it as a contour powder. Okay, so guys, the color I'm making use of is in color 3. I mean, this is what it looks like when you open it up. This is what it looks like. Okay, and I got this for like $3.53. Okay, it's quite a nice product, even though it's a little bit expensive compared to the other ones. And it also comes with a little blender. Okay guys, for me is a yes. Don't forget that the link to everything I'm showing you guys will be in the description. Make sure you check it out. So guys, the last or the final drugstore makeup haul or AliExpress makeup haul I got is this cream contour. Okay, and I got this in color 7. I got this for like $2.49. So guys, the link to it will be in the description, and I've tried it out. Okay guys, can you see the cream contour here? So guys, it's quite a nice and affordable drugstore makeup haul, and I don't think it has any reaction on my skin yet. Okay, so guys, with this we've come to the end of today's drugstore or AliExpress makeup haul. So guys, don't forget that the link to everything I showed you guys will be in the description. So guys, also check out the first AliExpress makeup haul video I did. So guys, that is it. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please don't forget to like my video, comment, share, and also subscribe to my channel. See you guys in my next video. Thank you.